Any thoughts on the adoption of cloud in manufacturing?
It's tricky, right? We're going to hit the OT-IT boundary conversation
Yep.
immediately here.
Yep.
We have a group of people who are paid well to say no to us. Our desire is to exfiltrate data, to get it up to the cloud, to do wonderful things with it, to, as we're marching up that maturity curve, to talk about adaptive controls and predictive maintenance and everything that the executive tier wants to hear. But then in the IT side, they say, what ports do you want me to open? What operating systems are you going to run inside my OT network? And so there's this constant struggle of the IT world where we might say, hey, let's just open the port, man. We've got a firewall, set up an interconnect from the corporate data centers, and everything's happy, right? And then you have the OT side where they're worried about infiltration. They're worried about any devices on the shop floor interfering with the equipment or hopping from whatever device you put in there and a sideways attack to go over to other controllers. Everybody has probably heard of the Stuxnet virus in that attack vector. So that's fresh in the minds. If you introduce software into that environment, it's inherently a risk. So while I think at the executive tier, the management tier, there is a desire to get that 360-degree vision to see all of their plants at once in a single pane of glass, there's a very pragmatic and very real objection to any newly introduced devices. And I'll expand on it just a little bit. I think there's, in the cloud world, containers are the currency, right? Docker containers. And every solution you come across is containerized. I've worked with a few IoT startups or early stage companies, and they're all just driving forward. Okay, it's a containerized solution. We deploy containerized applications. The OT guys do not know what Kubernetes is. They don't know what a container is, and they're not interested in finding out. They've got an ESX server. They've known VMware for the last 15 years, and they want to understand which VM they should deploy because it's the currency they're used to. It's how they know how to manage it. So we're talking about trying to get them to move into the future. It's not just getting data out. It's trying to get that OT mindset to adapt to what has become the currency of the cloud and the modern technology stacks.